Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. And if you know who that is, if you tune in here to Gordon Guitar, this is a song called Fair, probably the more hyped out of his recent creations here. So Fair is a song we're gonna look into, and as you can see here, no need for any capo. We have only 4 chords, and we're gonna use them in different variations, styles, and combinations. So let's go into the 4 chords here. We're gonna start with E minor. That is how the song starts. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We have C next. So that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is exactly the same grip shape as the C, but we're gonna move it up at this position, all right? So it's a D add 4 add 9, a long name for the same grip pretty much. So it gives us 5th on A, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And then finally we have the G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, Okay, so let's start from the beginning. We're going to start with the intro. And we're going to play just downs here. Okay, so yeah, we're going to start with E minor. Then C. And then G. And then the second half goes E minor. And then the D chord. And then C. And all that is one round. Okay? You're going to play that for the first 3 rounds. So again, E minor, C, G, and then E minor, D, C. And we're going to play another round here to get up to 3 rounds here. And after that, you're going to play 4 rounds, almost 4 full rounds of E minor, G, C. And I say almost because on the 4th round, you're gonna stop at the G. You don't play the last C. So almost 4 full rounds of E minor, G, C. Okay? And when you play that last G in the 4th round, you're gonna start with that instrumental part. It starts about 50 seconds in. What you're gonna do here is to grab E minor, and we're gonna learn a strumming pattern. So one strumming round goes like this. Okay, so it's first one down, and then down up, down up. And it goes pretty fast, so a couple of rounds goes like this. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up. So the instrumental part is about E minor and 4 rounds of that. Then after that starts the first verse actually. So everything here before this point now is pretty much an intro and an instrumental part. So the first verse starts with E minor, 4 string rounds. So you just continue that E minor for another 4 rounds after the instrumental part. Then comes G, 4 rounds. Then comes the D, 4 rounds, and then C 4 rounds. And that will be the chord progression here. So E minor 4, G4, D4, C4. You're going to play that for 4 chord progression rounds. Let's do one round together. It goes like this. Four rounds of that, and that takes us to the chorus. We hit now the 2 minutes and 12-second mark. What you're going to do here is to use the same chord progression, E minor, G, D, and C, but use it in a completely different way. You're going to play this. As one round. You're going to play 2 rounds of that. So how do you do it? We start from the beginning, the E minor. You're going to pick the open E string together with open G. So repeat that first. And then you're going to play another 11 times on that open G note. So you really want this E to ring out through that 11 more times of the open G string. So okay, so you hit that open G string for another 11 rounds, 11 times. And what I do in my head, I have combinations of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 with that first kick. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is how I do it in my head. Then we're going to go into the next chord, the G, and the pattern follows there. Now, just different notes. You're going to pick that 3rd fret E string as the bass together with the open B, okay? And then you continue with another 11 times on that open B. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we go into the D chord. And now you have the bass note on 5th fret A string. And the note you're going to pick for another 11 times besides from that first kick is the 4th fret D string. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you take that very same grip and slide it up to this position at the C chord. You're going to play now the 3rd fret A string together with 2nd D. And then that 2nd D for another 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And all that is one chord progression round. Like I said, 2 rounds of that. Okay? And after that, you're going to go back to the strumming, the down, down, up, and play that E minor 4, G4, D4, C4. And that chord progression you're going to do now for 6 rounds. Okay? So 6 rounds of this. And after that 6 rounds, you have just the outer part left. You're going to play E minor, 1 down, then G, then D, and guess what? C is the last chord you're going to play. And that's it, guys. So NF, fair, powerful song, like he usually does it. It's powerful. And yeah, we'll love him for that. So hope you enjoyed this, guys. Very easy song to actually to perform. Once you have the chords, you're just gonna play with them in different techniques. There are pickings and strumming patterns and just straight downs and all that, but it's very basic for chords. That's great. So give it a shot if you like the song, and give me a like if you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time, play tuned.